Hello boys and girls, today we've got something different. This is a hacker's go bag, if you like. It's a Targa laptop rucksack, obviously. We'll go through what's briefly in there. There's not much to see really, but you don't really need a lot when you're on road, you know what I mean. So we'll start with this one packet here. This is my bag of goodies. What we have in here is an Ethernet cable. Let's just get them out for you. There's my antenna, the reverse SMA connectors, obviously Ethernet cables, various lengths. Here's the adapter for the other USB dongle Wi-Fi I've got in there. What's this? And this is for the other dongle as well. Just load back in there briefly. Like I said, there's not much to see really. It's just quick and easy, short video really. Back in there. Alright. Right, what we have here is the a cheap Chinese. It's basically an alpha clone. I drilled some holes in it because it got quite hot. I think it's RL80 TL83, I think, chipset. Works pretty good for monitor mode. So it's in there. Here's my legit alpha card. Full 1 watt of power. Got the hologram so you know it's genuine. Like I said, there's not much to see really, just is what it is. Got my antennas. They just slide in there like that, which is quite nice. Got nothing in there. Anything in here? No, nothing in there. That my business end is my laptop. I hope you can see that. I'll put it there so you can read it. Feel free to pause and then you'll know what the specifications are. So i5 Gen 5 I believe, 4 cores, i5, obviously running Kali Linux, 128 SSD, with full drive encryption obviously. Save people spying on my laptop. And obviously, as you can probably guess, in the next bit there's just the buggy old stando charger. What else we got? Nothing in there, nothing in there. That's about it, boys and girls. Like I said, pretty short and sweet really. Don't need to be anything elaborate. The rucksack is there you go, in case you're wondering. Shock resistant. Don't even think it's got a brand as such. It's extremely tough. It's nice and comfortable. It's got anti-cut straps. Nice padding. Oh, there we are. There's the brand name, in case you're wondering. Wenger. Oh, Wenger. Anyway, about 60 quid. It's about $90, something like that, from Couriers, PC World, whatever. I've had it about 10, 15 years, this bag. It's had a lot of abuse. Still excellent condition. That's it, boys and girls. It's nice and simple, short and sweet. Like and subscribe and all that stuff. If you find my update frequencies not too brilliant on YouTube, it's kind of a struggle sometimes with work commitments and stuff. You can check my Facebook page. That updated a lot more frequently. Various stories on data breaches and security updates and stuff like that. You probably find interesting. Most of my viewers, it seems to be Indian at the minute, but it doesn't really matter. Obviously, if you're an English speaker, then you're welcome too. That's it. Like and subscribe. Feel free to share and all that kind of good stuff. YouTube business. See you later, and hopefully I'll catch you very soon.